Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. It is, I think, day 17 right now, and it's a Saturday, but the drywaller plasterer was here today and they did drywall. So I get to show you, things look a lot different now. So let me show you what was done today. So look at the closets. Look at how amazing they look. I love them. There they are. They will have lighting in there, but it's really cool. You can kind of see the shapes of them. And in between the two closets, we're gonna have a little bench. So that will be nice. And then we come over here to the bathroom. We've got these two where the studs were before, that was covered up with drywall. And everything has been drywalled now. Plus, in here, the plaster has been put in because the next crew who's coming on Monday is going to work on the tile. Look at that. Look at our ceiling. It's all finished and plastered. And now you can just really see kind of the shape of the bathroom. You can see where the shower is. And now this is going to be the wall that the vanity is on. And over here, we're going to have the toilet on the right, and there's our closet. Now the closet hasn't had its coat of plaster done yet, but it will. There's no more tile going in there, so it didn't need to be finished. They ran out of time to finish everything today, but wow, quite the transformation. I'm so impressed. And the quality is just amazing. They did a really nice job of putting everything together. The finished work, I don't know, the plaster, it just looks so great. Those walls are smooth, and previously our ceiling had bumps on it, but now it's all smooth. So anyway, I'm really excited. Things are really moving along now, so we'll continue to see probably big changes over the next week, and I will just keep you updated. So have a great rest of your weekend, everyone, and I will begin filming updates again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.